Welcome to Affordable Comfort's quick guide to mastering your Ecobee3 thermostat. In this series, we'll show you how easy it is to set up and use your thermostat to save energy, stay comfortable, and take full control of your home's heating and cooling. Whether you're adjusting temperatures, creating schedules, or connecting to Wi-Fi, we'll guide you through every step to make home comfort easy. How to set up comfort settings on your Ecobee3. Start by tapping the main menu on your Ecobee3 thermostat. Select Comfort Settings. Here, you'll find presets like Home, Away, and Sleep. Tap on a preset and you can adjust the heating and cooling temperatures, and you can adjust the fan setting. Once you're happy with the adjustments, tap Save. You can also create new comfort settings for unique needs like a movie night or a workout room. That's it! Your Ecobee is now customized for your comfort. How to create a weekly schedule on your Ecobee3. First, tap the main menu and select Schedule. Then, pick a day you'd like to set up or adjust. Tap the plus button to add a new activity or choose an existing one to edit. Assign a comfort setting like Home, Away, or Sleep. For each activity, set a start time. When done, tap Save. And lastly, to copy the schedule to other days, use the Copy button. Choose the source day and select which days to apply it to. Now your Ecobee will follow your schedule automatically. How to turn scheduling on or off on your Ecobee3. First, tap Main Menu, then to General Settings, then Preferences, and then hold Action. You're going to have a few options: 2 hours, 4 hours, until next scheduled activity, until I change it, or decide at the time of change. These hold options basically mean that it's going to keep the temperature you set for that duration of time, and then it will go back to its regular schedule. Select Until I change it. The thermostat will then maintain the last set temperature indefinitely. To cancel a hold, tap X on the hold bubble. Turning scheduling on or off is that simple. How to adjust temperature on the Ecobee3. First, on the home screen, you'll see a blue bubble for cooling and an orange bubble for heating. Click on either of the bubbles to expand them and you'll be able to set your desired temperature. This will temporarily override your schedule. To cancel, just tap the X and it will revert back to your regular schedule. How to adjust fan settings on your Ecobee3. First, tap Main Menu, then select Fan. Now select either On or Auto. On runs the fan continuously. Auto runs the fan only during heating and cooling cycles. Pro tip, we recommend keeping the fan on for better air circulation. And that's how to keep your home feeling fresh. How to switch between heating and cooling on your Ecobee3. First, tap Main Menu, then go to System. Choose your preferred mode: Heat for cold days, Cool for hot days, and Auto to let the thermostat switch automatically between heating and cooling. That's it! Your Ecobee is ready for any weather. How to connect your Ecobee3 to Wi-Fi. Tap Main Menu, then go to Settings, select Wi-Fi, then Network, then select Wi-Fi Network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. If it's not visible, choose My Network is not visible and enter the details manually. Finally, enter your network password and tap Connect. Now your thermostat is online and ready for remote control through the Ecobee app. And that wraps up our Ecobee tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy your perfectly comfortable home.